the best piece of cake you've ever had? Now, imagine the recipe for this cake. What ingredients do you need and how much are you adding in? Like a piece of cake, our immune response to COVID-19 vaccination is made of many ingredients, each one playing a different role in providing us with protection. One of these ingredients are a type of protein called antibodies. Antibodies stick to the virus, stopping it from coming into our cells and causing disease. But once stuck to the virus, antibodies also activate other parts of the immune system, telling them to eat or kill the virus and help clear infection. Like how a cake can come in different flavors, antibodies come in many different types. Some are really good at activating the immune system, while others aren't very good at doing this. Importantly, different types of antibodies interact differently with each other. Some types work well together, and combining them can improve the activation of the immune system. Other parts can actually clash, and when you mix them together, it can make them less efficient in activating the immune system. Now, think back to your perfect piece of cake. My idea of a perfect cake is probably different from yours. Likewise, each one of us make different combinations of antibodies. Unfortunately, our current vaccines don't take this into account. For some people, the antibodies they make after vaccination can actually block the function of the antibodies they already have. We need to improve our current vaccination strategies so that all of us make the right types of antibodies in the right amounts. But this task is not a piece of cake because we don't have the perfect recipe for protection. We don't know what type of antibodies we need to make and how much of it we need to make. I want to find this perfect recipe, but to do this, I need to understand the role of each ingredient or each type of antibody. I make different types of antibodies in the lab, and I combine them together. I look at how good each of my combinations are at activating the immune system. I also add in these combinations into antibody samples taken from people who are vaccinated with COVID-19, kind of like giving them another dose of vaccination. I want to see which one of my combinations lead to better activation of the immune system and which one blocks the response of antibodies that already exist in these people. By understanding the parts that make up a strong immune response, we might be able to create more personalized vaccination strategies so that all of us make the right types of antibodies. This way, we can all enjoy our perfect slice of protection.